The Modi government's soil health card scheme is benefiting farmers in a big way. The scheme is not just to encourage the use of natural manure by reducing the use of fertilizers, it is also helping farmers to cut down on their costs.
The Soil Health Card scheme has led to a transformation in the arid farming scenario in Ariyalur district in Tamil Nadu. Under the scheme, various soil parameters including salt and acid content of the soil are analyzed and recommendation is made for appropriate natural measures to treat any deficiencies. Earlier, farmers have been using fertilizers without even understanding the need of the land. Now, Soil Health Card scheme is bridging this gap of information and awareness.
Earlier, we used to utilize fertilizers as per the advice of the dealers. Now, thanks to the soil health card, the contents of the soil are analyzed. We are also advised on the right quantum of fertilizers to be used, which we are following properly. Thanks to the soil health card scheme, soil analysis is being done and various nutrients are suggested to improve its composition. As a result, our cost has gone down and profits have shot up.
According to the farmers, excess use of fertilizers used to have adverse impact on soil health and productivity earlier. But now, as they are well aware of the nutritional needs of soil, they can see the benefits.
Earlier, our crops would not flower properly due to lack of nutrition. Now, after following the advice of Soil Health Card scheme, our yields have gone up.
Last year, over 10,200 soil samples were collected and 64,000 soil health cards were distributed among the farmers. This year, over 9,000 soil samples have been taken so far and 360 soil health cards have been delivered.